Vulture Go Minecraft S Gilgay. I changed my microphone settings, guys, so I hope that it sounds a little better. I got nothing to talk about. I just want to do a quick episode so I don't miss a week. Anyway, so as it turns out, in one of the previous episodes, I was counting and I wasn't sure if I should say a Heinado Chi or Heindo Chi, and I found a website called Bite Size Gaelic. I think it's called. If I'm not lazy, there is a link in the description. I do not buy anything from them yet, but their online resource was pretty good. Don't know that I really have much more to say other than they had a blog about counting, and I think it was very informative. And it said, yeah, if you're just there are, and maybe if I have an Irish audience, they know this already, but my American audience, which no audience exists yet, anyway. For the Americans, at least for myself, it was interesting to know that there are, and I feel like I had already known this, there are three different ways to count in Irish, which seems strange, and I mean, well, not that it seems strange, but it's one of those things that really makes languages different. Tangana. Tanga is language. Because with most languages, it's like, oh, well, I just want the translation of dog. And it's like, okay, Madra. But one of the things that's different among languages is the way things are expressed. So it's not just vocabulary, it's grammar, it's idioms, it's whatever, right? And apparently for Irish, or Irish Gaelic is one of those differences is how to count. And I actually, again, I feel like I already knew this, or at least knew part of it. But it's still very interesting to read it again. So if you're just counting, like maybe you're counting up to something, it would be a Heinedochi. And the other, I've already forgotten this. If you're counting things, it's a little bit different. I think instead of do, you actually say ha, like DHA, ha. I think there's a thought over that. Ha. Anyway, so, and this kind of didn't answer really what I was looking for. I mean, it kind of did, because it's like, okay, I'm counting, so it really should be a Heinedochi. But actually, I was counting blocks. So I think it falls into that second category. It wasn't clear from this blog, which one I should use. I suppose you might argue, since I wasn't actually saying block, that I was just kind of counting. But I was counting actual things, so I think if I had just been counting, saying A in front of the count words, would have been proper. So it would be a Heinedochi. But since if I were saying, I don't know, Bricky Cleha, Cleha. If I might have said, I think it'd be Avon Cleha would be one. Ha Cleha. Thing like that would be how to do it. It'd probably be more proper if I said the thing that I was counting, and then I would say Avon or Ha or whatever the third one is, which I've now forgotten. Yay! So I wanted to throw that out there, and I'm hoping to get a link. I feel like, that's one of the things, Rosetta Stone's great for vocabulary, but if you have to go to one of these websites, which teach you grammar to really get the finer point of things. So I thought that'd be an interesting thing to follow up on. Otherwise, I really have I got nothing today for you guys. Sorry. Did I forget how to build this? I might have forgotten how to build this. Nope, I'm doing it right. Okay. Anyway, I don't know if you hear my Mamadra clacking around. Took her to the vet yesterday. Supposedly they clipped her toenails. Yeah, I guess it sounds better. Anyway, so to kill time. Whoops. I should have come into this episode with more to talk about. Oh, why is no one watching my channel? Mahano? Hanyo? There was something else I wanted to talk about. I think I want to do that for episode 20. If this isn't episode 20, I also should have looked that up. But I didn't. So, how have you guys been? Caldwell who? Or Caldwell 2? I don't know. Nielosagum. So on my way over here, I was in my secret base, and I cleared all those zombies out earlier. I think they're back. So, I didn't go and check, but I heard a bunch of moaning, and yeah, I think I'm going to have to revisit that area and figure something out. So, yep. Cool. So this is turning out to be a boring episode. So what I'm doing here is I'm expanding this future mob farm. Again, I mentioned a little bit about what it is. I didn't really mention how it works. A lot of, and some more this. One block. Alright. You probably hear my mouse clicking. Again, I have my keyboard on my lap. I'm hoping that mitigates some of the sound. Yeah, I really should, oh, I know, there were a few things, from last episode, I said. Like, I knew the word table, and as soon as I ended the episode, I was like, oh, table is moored. M-B-O-R-D, I think. Moored. So that would have been nice to have. And, yeah, hey, we're reaching the end of this painful episode. Yeah. Yep. Cool. Alright, guys. Well, fun talking to you. Guys and girls, hopefully. I'm gonna light... Actually, yeah, I'm gonna light this up because I don't want anything spawning up here just yet. And, yeah, I will see you guys in the next episode. Slán!